Carbon fiber rods, ball bearings, anodized aluminum. Meet Akuge camera slider. Welcome back to Take Apart. Look what I got in the mail today. It is 45 centimeters or 18-inch long carbon fiber camera slider from Akuge. It comes with bag, set of tools and this. Let's open it all. This is a phone holder with two 1/4-20 threads. Here 2 Allen keys and 3/8 the 1/4-20 adapter. And here it is, a Akuge slider. Let me remove this plastic wrap and see what we're working with. Main knob, the lock and unlock slider. 4 rubberized legs, they are adjustable, so if you're using it without tripod, you can level it on almost any surface. And here is it, simple design slider with robust feel and smooth run. Every single leg can be extended about an inch and leveled with this level. Let's test it. Slider comes with this phone holder which we're not going to use. Instead, I will mount Manfrotto ball head with provided thread reduction. Simple as that. It feels so good. Slider has rubber end stops and it's using ball bearings to slide smoothly on 2 carbon fiber rods. You can get creative with it as it has 2 mounting threads on each side and 4 on the bottom. This Akuge slider has no motion control or motorized slide, not even a flywheel. This is just a slider and it is one hell of a slider, robust and it gets job done. So for everyone who don't need fancy electronics or annoying apps, this is the one to go with. Links are in description below. This thing can shoot B-roll of itself, just look at it. Once you are done, lock the slider with the knob, fold the legs and put it nicely in the bag. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and see you next time.